Okay, so dito tayo sa orthogonal trajectories. Okay? So when we say orthogonal trajectories, okay, uh, umpisaan ko muna dun sa dating geometry, dati, no, pag pinakuha tayo ng line, let's say may given na line, no, let's say ang equation nito ay y equals mx plus b. No? Mx plus b. Okay? At a certain point, let's say at this point, x sub 1, y sub 1. Okay? Pinapakuha sa atin, ano ang equation ng line perpendicular, ano equation ng line perpendicular sa equation na to, di ba? Ganun ang problem sa atin, no? Okay. So, ang ginagawa natin, kinukuha natin slope nito, and then yung slope nito, class, tandaan nyo, ay yung bagong slope, no, is equal to the negative reciprocal of that slope. Okay? Negative reciprocal. Okay? So, para makuha yung kanyang perpendicular line. Okay? So, yung idea nito, ginamit dito sa orthogonal trajectories. Orthogonal, so meaning perpendicular. No? Perpendicular. The difference is, yung given is family of curves. Okay? Hindi lang equation, hindi lang basta isang equation, but a family of curves. Could be a family of circles, family of parabolas, family of lines. Okay? So, tinatanong, ano ang perpendicular family of curves, no? Para sa dito sa given na family of curves. Okay? So, hindi lang equation ng line, hindi lang perpendicular line, no? But a family of curves. Okay? So, ang ginagawa natin dyan, para makuha natin yung equation nito, yung slope, babaguhin natin, no? Negative reciprocal, no? So, ganun din yung gagawin natin dito. So, papakita ko, no? Okay. So, let's say, meron tayong given, x minus 4y equals c. This is a family of curves, okay? Family of curves, malamang equation lang ng line. Family of lines, okay? Hinahanap, ano daw yung orthogonal at trajectories ng family of curves na to, okay? So, solution yan, ito. Okay? Yung first part, gawin natin yung elimination of arbitrary constant. Okay? Elimination of arbitrary constant. So, makuha na naman to, no? Pag dinerivative nyo, no? Isang derivative lang to kasi isa lang yung arbitrary constant, no? So, this one is dx. No. 1, no? Dx over dx. Minus 4 y prime is equals to 0. Take note, class, yung y prime na yan, di ba? Yan yung dy over dx. Pwede rin dy over dx equals 0. Okay. Di ba? Yan yung kinukonsider natin na slope. Yung slope that is equal to the first derivative, no? Dy over dx. So, pag kinuha natin yung negative reciprocal niyan, okay, di ba, ano ba yung negative reciprocal? Negative 1 over m, no? E di, kunin mo din yung negative reciprocal nito, no? Which is negative dx over dy. Okay, binaligtad mo lang. Tama ba? Okay. So, ganun yung gagawin natin. From that differential equation, okay, kunin nyo yung slope na dy over dx, gagawin nyo, so ang gagawin mo, negative dx over dy. Okay? So, first part is elimination of arbitrary constant. The second part is changing the slope. No? Changing the slope to its negative reciprocal. That is from dy over dx, gagawin mong negative dx over dy. Okay? So, iwalay natin tong part na to. Okay. So, 1 minus 4 magiging negative dx over dy na yan equals 0. Okay? So, ayusin natin, no? That is 1 plus 4 dx over dy equals 0. Okay? So, multiply natin ng dy. Kasi, ang ending nito, hindi differential equation. Ang gagawin natin dyan is ilalagay natin sa family of curves ulit. So, hindi siya differential equation. Pero, yung equivalent nun, yun ay orthogonal trajectories ng given na family of curves. Okay? So, that magiging dy plus 4dx equals 0. So, ayan na. Ayan yung output natin kapag nag-change tayo ng dy over dx to negative dx over dy. So, the next part is solve the differential equation, no? Solve the differential equation, okay? So, integral, ganun naman, no? Kung ang nakuha natin ay variable separable lang, edi ganito lang, no? 4dx equals 0, no? Integral ng dy is y plus 4x equals plus kapag ginamit na yung arbitrary constant na c, dun pa lang sa simula, wag mo nang ulitin, no? C, wag. Kung C1, gawin mo C2. Usually, gawin natin K. Yan. Y plus 4x equals K. Okay? So, ito na yung orthogonal trajectory ng given na family of curves. So, no need na i-drawing, no? Okay? So, the answer is this. Okay? 4x plus y is equal to K. Or y plus 4x equals to K. Naintindihan? So, una, elimination of arbitrary constant, then change the slope to negative reciprocal, and solve for DE. So, tatlong part. Okay? Next. Let us find the orthogonal trajectories of the given family of curve. So, minsan walang given na equation. Okay? Straight lines with slope and y-intercepts equal. Okay? Straight lines with slope and y-intercepts equal. Okay? Parang familiar ako sa ganitong tanong. Parang may ganito sa exam. Okay? Solution. Okay? So, this time, dahil wala namang given, nalagay natin. So, kapag ang slope at ang equation na may slope tsaka y-intercept, di ba, y equals mx plus b yun. Tama. Kapag yung m tsaka b equal, no? M equals b, no? Gawin mo na lang isang notation. Let's say, mx plus m, no? Yan. No? Okay na yan. Y equals mx plus m. Since equal naman yung slope tsaka y-intercept. Okay? So, yung first part, again, is magano tayo? Yung eliminate. No? Eliminate arbitrary constant. No? So, y prime is equals to m. No? Siyempre, hindi na eliminate sa first derivative. Substitute mo. Sa equation 1 to, ito equation 2. Okay. So, equation 2, lagay natin sa 1. Okay. Y prime equals m. So, y equals xy prime plus y prime. Okay? Or that is y equals x plus 1. No? Pinactor out ko yung y prime or magiging dy over dx. Okay? Pinactor out ko lang. Okay? Yung second part, ayan na, yung papalitan ko na yung dy over dx. Magiging negative dx over dy. Okay? So that y equals negative x plus 1 times dx over dy. Ano yan? Okay? So, solve for DE. Solve for DE. So, that will be y. Variable si parable, no? Y dy equals negative x plus 1 dx. Okay? Integrate mo lang both sides. No? So, that is equal to y squared over 2 equals negative x plus 1 squared over 2. Tama ba? Okay. Plus C. Oops. Wala naman tayong plus C kanina, no? Di plus C na tayo ngayon. Okay. So, using ko lang, times 2 ko lang. So, y squared equals negative x plus 1 squared plus C. So, that is the answer. So, anong equation kaya to? Pag inayos natin to, y squared plus x plus 1 squared equals C. Equation ng, this equation ng, yung equation ng line, ang na may ganitong condition, slope and y-intercept equal, di ba equation to ng circle, no? So, yun ang orthogonal trajectory niya, yung circle, na may center at negative 1, 0, no? Negative 1, 0. Okay? Okay. Any question, class? May question ba? Kung wala, tuloy lang natin. Okay. So, next. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the given family of curve y squared times 2x squared plus y squared equals c squared. Okay? So, yung given, eliminate natin yung arbitrary constant. Okay? Eliminate natin yung arbitrary constant by differentiating, no? So, product rule to, no? Product rule. Okay. Pwede ma-multiply muna natin, no? Pwedeng hindi na. So, pag multiply natin, magiging 2x squared, y squared, plus y to the fourth equals c squared. Okay, derivative. 2, x squared, derivative ng y squared ay 2y, y prime. No? Plus, derivative ulit nito, the product rule, no? So, ito naman, no? 2y squared. Okay. Derivative ng x squared, 2x. Okay. Then ito, plus 4y cube y prime equals 0. Okay? So, yun. Tanggal agad. You see. Ayusin lang natin. And take note, may common yan kada term. Okay? May common yan kada term. Ano yun? 4. 2 times 2, 4. 2. Okay. 1 divided by 4. How about x? Wala. Walang x to. Okay. Yung y. Y squared. Isang y lang. Okay. Isang y lang. So, matitira dito, x squared y prime. No? Plus xy. Plus y squared y prime equals 0. Okay? So that kung ito ay magiging dy over dx, ayusin ko muna. So, x squared plus y squared times y prime plus xy equals 0. So, in terms of dy over dx, so this is x squared plus y squared times quantity dy over dx. No? Plus xy equals 0. And then, of course, we multiply it both sides by dx so that mag-cancel yung dx. Quantity x squared plus y squared. This is dy plus xy dx equals 0. Okay. So, yung given dito, gagawin ko negative dx over dy. Hindi natin nagawa kanina. So, x squared plus y squared negative dx over dy plus xy equals 0. Okay. So, this would be xy dy minus, okay, quantity x squared plus y squared dx equals 0. Ayan, ayan. Still, that is a homogeneous DE. So, let y equals bx. Okay. So, bx. So, bx squared. Yung dy, papalitan din ng bdx plus x dv. Okay? So, bdx plus x dv. dv. Okay? Minus x squared plus y squared, which is b squared x squared. Okay? dx equals 0. So, common sa kanila yung x squared, no? 1 over x squared. Okay? Cancel ang x squared. Okay. So, pag distribute, b squared dx plus bx db minus b squared plus 1 dx equals 0. Okay. So, yung common, ito, b squared dx to b squared dx. So, magka-cancel itong dalawa na to. Okay? So, matira na lang dyan, bx db minus dx equals 0. So, that, variable separable na to, b db minus dx over x equals 0. Okay? Tama ba? Ayan, ayan, ayan. So, integrate both sides. That is b squared over 2. Okay? Minus ln of x equals c. Okay? And take note, yung b natin is y over x. So, y over x. So, y squared over 2x squared. minus ln of x equals, ginamit dito pala c, no? Gawin na lang natin k to. K. Okay. So, yung, ayusin natin, no? Therefore, yung y squared, multiply natin to ng 2x squared. No? 2x squared, y squared, minus 2x squared, ln of x, equals k, or kx squared, y squared. No. X squared lang. X squared. Okay. So, after nito, okay, dyan tayo. 2x squared, y squared, minus 2x squared, ln of x equals kx squared.